Into the Wind presents the George Peters Cloudbird kite in 3 beautiful colour schemes. These are based on George Peters' experience when he lived in Hawaii. Wonderful patterns, all of them. The kite comes in a durable case. You'll find some instructions there, very simply done, this kite. There's a 2-piece spreader bar. That's the only loose spars you'll find. The wing spars are protruding. You need to push them down into the sleeve and then tuck the end right into the sleeve to stop it coming out. The nose spar is also protruding. Push that down. Connect it with the spar that's already in there, the bottom half of the spine. Then push it right home and fit the fabric loop over the end of the spar to hold it. Now the 2 sections of spreader join with that metal ferrule. The spar goes through the loop in the center of the top of the kite. Then you fit one end into the ring on one edge of the wing, and naturally the same on the other side. You'll have to bend the spar just a little to get that second one in. And that's done. Now you can attach your flying line direct to the ring on the keel, or make a pigtail, which is just a length of flying line doubled over and knotted. Put the pigtail through the ring and secure it, and that gives you a good point to tie off to. Your flying line should have a loop in the end. Put your finger and thumb in, double it over and make a lark's head knot. Put the pigtail through there, pull it tight, and you're ready to go. Stand with your back to the wind, release the line as the breeze takes the kite, and the bird will fly. Wonderful sight it looks too as it goes up there. It really is a great flying machine, this. It's a beautiful design from George Peters. Very well built by Into the Wind. You've got a kite for life here, and you'll have great pleasure flying it. It'll go as high as you want. It'll soar with the eagles. It looks very bird-like, even from behind. And it's a kite that really should be in any keen kite flyer's collection. It's a great acquisition, great kite from Into the Wind.